The SPY this morning did make a sell off after Powell made his speech, but let's take a look at the overall direction on where we could be heading. Thank you guys for following Trendsi trades. I really appreciate it. Right now, we are sitting at a strong level of support in the market at about 410. Let's just look historically left right here. This acted as a strong level of support where we did see a nice impulse to the upside, recovering some losses. Now, overall, if you look at your regression trend indicator, this is still in a bullish pattern based off of past 300 candles on the 4-hour time frame. So I still want to be overall looking for long positions in the market. And when we get pullbacks like this is just setting up for, in my opinion, good opportunities to be looking for pushes to the upside. Now take a look at this middle line on our regression trend. In the past, when we hit this area, we have seen multiple times a nice impulse to the upside. Now, when we were also down in this area and we had our white line into this green buying zone or this accumulation stage on both of these occasions, we did end up seeing that this has added confirmation for an impulse to the upside. Right now, that's exactly what's happening right here. Our money movement is down into this accumulation stage or buying zone. We do have a green dot, which is a key EMA crossover in the market, and our money movement is still heading in an upper direction. Now, what I want to keep an eye out for is to see if this does make a lower high instead of a higher low, just to see if we end up getting a reversal. But right now, as we sit, this is holding support at this 410 area. So if we can hold support at this 410 area, I don't believe this is not a bad idea to be adding to a position to be going long on the SPY. Just because we had a nice dip off right here doesn't mean we can't then shoot straight back up and head higher to these top deviation levels around 425, then even higher around this 430 area. That's not out of the question. The only thing I want you guys to look out for is if we do end up breaking this level right here, there is not a strong support in the market until our next area here at approximately, let's say 405.50, and then down from there it just kind of gets a little bit ugly. But let's just see how this plays out. I'm still optimistic that if we can hold this area of support, it can push higher. It's done it multiple times in the past before. We just got to be patient and just let this play out and not get freaked out by a big red candle until we get confirmation that we are in a bearish trend where our linear regression channel starts shifting to the other side to a down moment. Let me know what your guys' investment strategy is for on the SPY. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your Friday.